Aryan Khan will have to remain in the jail tonight as the special court has adjourned the hearing till 14th of October. NCB is opposing Aryan Khan's bail plea and has filed a reply in the court regarding the same. While arguing against the bail, ASG Anil Singh said, and I quote, "We are told Aryan Khan was invited to the cruise, but where is the invitation? As of today, 20 persons are arrested, including peddlers. I showed a WhatsApp chat with specific reference of bulk quantity. Obviously, someone will not refer to bulk for his own consumption." Replying to NCB, SRK's lawyer Amit Desai told the court that these substances are legal in some countries. He stated, and I quote, "They are some young kids. In many countries, these substances are legal. Let us not penalize in bail. Let us not make it worse for them. They have suffered enough. They have learned their lesson, if at all. They are not peddlers, racketeers or traffickers." Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha's lawyers were also present in the hearing, and this is what they told us.
अगर हम प्रोसिक्यूशन के केस के हिसाब से भी जाए तो भी उसके पास से जो क्वांटिटी मिली है वो सिर्फ कंजम्पशन क्वांटिटी है और उसके लिए सज़ा जो कानून के तहत सज़ा है वो सिर्फ 6 महीने की सज़ा है। तो इसके लिए उसका बेल में कोई बाधा नहीं होनी चाहिए।
जहाँ तक मुनमुन की बात है, मुनमुन इस चीज़ से कम्प्लीटली दूर है। मुनमुन को इस चीज़ के बारे में कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है। मुनमुन के पास से कोई ड्रग मिला हुआ नहीं है, ना कि मुनमुन आर्यन और अरबाज को भी नहीं जानती है, और ये उनके वकीलों का भी बोलना है और ये हमारा भी बोलना है कि हमारा उनसे कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है। हमारा इसके अलावा जो भी आरोपी रिकॉर्ड पे अभी आए हुए हैं उनसे भी हमारा कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है। जब कनेक्शन नहीं है तो कॉन्स्पिरेसी कहाँ से आई है? और अगर बीच में देखिए जितने भी 20-22 लोग जो अरेस्ट हुए हैं, अगर उनकी कॉन्स्पिरेसी दिखानी है तो पहले प्रूव करो कि ये सब कनेक्टेड है। और जहाँ तक ये ड्रग्स इन्वॉल्वमेंट वगैरह की बात है तो ये एनसीबी का ऊपर ओनर्स है कि पहले ये प्रूव करे कि क्या आर्यन ड्रग्स लेता है, क्या आर्यन ने ड्रग्स लिया, क्या आर्यन और अरबाज को पता था कि कुछ वहाँ पे हो रहा है या वहाँ पे कोई ड्रग्स एक्टिविटी चल रही है। यहाँ पहले ये प्रूव करे कि अरबाज के पास से वो ड्रग्स मिला है या नहीं मिला।
While referring to NCB's claim that his client Aryan Khan and others were arrested for involvement in consumption, sale and purchase, SRK's lawyer said, and I quote, "The 13 grams of cocaine are not from Khan and neither are the ecstasy pills and mephedrone. Nothing is from him. He did not have cash. He did not have plans to consume or sell drugs." To this, the NCB's lawyer informed the court that the agency has arrested 20 persons in this case till now, and out of them 4 are drug peddlers. Commercial quantity was found with one of them. Achit and Shivraj were drug peddlers. The reason I am pointing this out is because in a case of conspiracy, it is not necessary that with all the accused, commercial quantity is found. If Section 29 of NDPS Act applies, then there is conspiracy. When Section 29 is applied, the person who is charged with the offence will be punished with the same offence as the conspirator. Aryan Khan was arrested on 2nd of October along with 7 others after the Narcotics Control Bureau conducted a raid on an alleged rave party on a cruise ship in Mumbai.